Kung gusto natin pag-usapan yung free throws, here's one for me. And I'm not gonna say it in wholesale. Aside from the fourth quarter free throws that we missed, na nanghinayang sa bit, I share that feeling. Kasi obviously, when we brought it down to 4, it would have been 2 or 3, given that we missed some free throws. I think from Jacob and from Mike before we cut it down to 4. Another free throw na medyo nanghinayang ako was that free throw to start the second. Could have pushed the lead to 6. So marami talagang spots of the game. And the moment you make your free throws reliably, consistently, hindi talaga siya maano. So naiintindihan ko yung people, both Lasal fans and otherwise, who may feel like we wasted a lot of opportunities. Kaso, the tapestry of the game, the way it's been flowing, you would know that even NU missed free throws. So at the end of the day, it's you expect misses. You can't expect 90%, 80% clips at this level. And yes, we had games in the season where we shot over 70. And we won those games, diba? But it's not always going to be like that. So we should
Okay.
learn to
It's a good
play
point.
with the way, diba? The way the game
There
is
could be
getting.
games we could shoot 70% and still lose the game, if we still pick up those bad habits.